Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. In this class of chapter square and square root, we will find out how to find out the square root by using the method prime factorization method. Actually, the meaning of the prime factorization symbolizes itself to find the factors of a given number by using the prime numbers. हम स्क्वायर रूट जो है हम इस मेथड से अगर हम यूज़ करते हैं या इस मेथड से हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो हम हमेशा या ज़्यादातर या मोस्टली हम सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर्स ही यूज़ करेंगे. एक्चुअली में सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ प्राइम नंबर. प्राइम नंबर एज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नंबर विच इज़ डिविजिबल बाय इटसेल्फ और बाय 1. Suppose I am taking the example, I have 5. So 5 is divisible by 1 only and by itself only. Then I am taking the another example, I have 8 here. So 8 is divisible by 1, or you can say 2, or you can say by 4 and also by 8. So according to the prime numbers condition, we have 1 and 8 here, but this number is also divisible by 2 and 4, or the factors of 8 is also 2 and 4. So this number is not a prime number. Okay, now we will start doing this. एक्चुअली में हम किसी भी नंबर को हम इस फॉर्म में भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई हैव 225 हेयर, आई हैव टेकन अ नंबर 225. मैं इसे इस पार्ट में भी स्प्लिट कर सकती हूँ स्क्वायर्स की फॉर्म के लिए और फिर इसको स्क्वायर रूट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कि 5 × 45 इज़ योर 225. देन आई हैव ऑलरेडी 5 हेयर, सो आई विल पुट हेयर 5 इंटू 45 को मैं स्प्लिट कर सकती हूँ. 5 9s are 45. Then we have 5 × 5 as it is. 9 को हम प्राइम नंबर में चेंज करेंगे. Then we have 3 3s are 9. Now we have the pairs. So 1 will come outside, 5 will come outside, and from this part 3 will come outside. So we can say 15. So the square root of 225 will be 15. Now sometimes it will be complicated, so we can find out in this way also. इसी तरीके को हम अलग फॉर्म में कर सकते हैं. I am taking this same example. We have 225 here. Now we can say 5 is here at the unit digit place. So obviously it will not be divisible by what? It will not be divisible by 2. Unit digit पे 5 है तो ये 2 से divisible नहीं होगा. Next prime number we have 3. तो 3 से हम देखते हैं डिविजिबल होता है या नहीं. तो 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Again at the units place we have 5. So it can be divisible by 3. अगर ये 3 से नहीं होता है then we will use 5 because 5 is also a prime number. So 3 से डिवाइड करके देखते हैं. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now this number is not divisible by 3. So we will take next prime number. Our next prime number is 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay. 3 75s are 225. 3 25s are 75 and 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. अब हम इसे इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. 3 × 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. 1 will come outside, this as 3 and this as 5. This will give you 15. Okay. Next, also you can write this in another way. You have to find out the square root of 225. Then you can write it as in this way. Split the part. You have 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. I have written this part actually in other way. We have 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 25. Then 25 into 3 75. So 25 into 3, 75. Then 75 into 3 is 225. Then 75 into 3 is 225. So one pair will come out because it's the square root. So we have 5 as here, and in this part 3 will come out outside. We have 15 as the square, as the value. Okay, so the square root of 225 will be 15. In this way we can find out the square roots by prime factorization method. Okay, we can take also another examples in other class, and also in the next class we will discuss about the long division method.